Have you ever thought to yourself, why does it feel like banks take more than they give? Well, what if I told you there's a way to flip the script? A way to make banks actually pay you. And no, it's not some sketchy get-rich-quick scheme. It's all legit, and people are already cashing in. The only question is, will you be one of them? Or will you let this slip by while others profit? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to legally get free money from banks. And yes, that means hundreds or even thousands of dollars in 2025. But first, let me ask you this. What would you do with an extra $1,000 right now? Pay off debt, invest, maybe even treat yourself for once? Whatever your goal is, let's make it happen. But before we dive into the strategies, here's the reality you need to face. Banks are counting on one thing: your inaction. Every day you wait, they profit, but you lose. Step 1. Bank account bonuses. Let's start with the easiest hack: bank account sign-up bonuses. Did you know banks want your business so badly that they'll pay you to join? It's true. For example, Chase, Wells Fargo, and Citi often offer cash bonuses just for opening an account and meeting basic requirements like direct deposits or maintaining a minimum balance. Wait, did I just hear you ask, why would they do that? Let's just say banks have a long-term strategy, and we're about to beat them at their own game. Right now, Chase is offering up to $300 for opening a checking account. All you need to do is set up direct deposit. Boom, free money in your pocket. And it's not just Chase. Check out your local credit unions too. They often have lower requirements and higher bonuses. By stacking these offers, some people make $1,000 or more in a year without breaking a sweat. And here's where it gets even better. What if I told you there's a way to double dip on these bonuses without raising red flags? We'll get to that in just a bit. Step 2. Credit card rewards and sign-up bonuses. Now, if bank account bonuses are the appetizer, credit card rewards are the main course. And trust me, you'll want to feast on this one. Credit card companies are willing to pay big for new customers. They offer sign-up bonuses ranging from $200 to $1,000 just for spending a set amount within the first few months. And if you're strategic, you can cash in without going into debt. For instance, the Chase Sapphire Preferred offers a $600 bonus if you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. Think that's too much? Here's the trick. Use the card for everyday expenses like groceries and bills you already plan to pay. Then, pay it off in full to avoid interest. It's money you'd spend anyway, but now you're getting paid to spend it. And no, I'm not saying go on a wild Amazon shopping spree and blame me when your budget implodes. Be smart, okay? Now, what if I told you there's a secret strategy to turn these bonuses into travel points or even cold hard cash? I'll share that shortly. Step 3. Referral programs. Okay, let's shift gears. What if I told you there's a way to get even more free money just for talking to your friends? Enter referral programs. Banks and credit card companies will reward you for referring friends or family to their services. For example, Capital One pays up to $100 per referral. If you refer 5 friends, that's $500 in your pocket. No extra work required. And here's the hack. Social media. Post your referral link in Facebook groups or Reddit threads. Just follow the rules, of course. Some people make thousands this way. Imagine getting paid just for sharing what you already know. Now, before you go spamming links everywhere, there's one important rule you need to follow, or you risk losing everything. Stick around to learn what it is. By now, you're probably realizing something big. These opportunities are sitting right in front of you. Banks are offering free money. It's just a matter of taking action. But let's get real. Most people watching this video will click away and do nothing. Will you be one of them? Or will you take control of your financial future today? Start small. Open one account, claim one bonus, then build momentum. By combining these strategies, you could be looking at an extra $2,000 or more by the end of the year. That's money that could change your life. And don't wait too long. These offers do expire. Think of it this way. Every day you hesitate, someone else is taking the money that could have been yours. Remember, success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who act. So what's your next move? The choice is yours. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to grow your wealth. Let's make 2025 the year you take charge of your finances and create the life you deserve.